now from the Mahanirvani Akhada to the Juna Akhada. Multiple akhadas are now coming in, one after the other, and they're taking the Amrit Snan.
20 crore snans, 10 crore today alone. The faithful have a field day. Stunning colors of Mahakumbh.
The Sanatan Dharma is all about triumph of hope over despair. The Sanatan Dharma is all about rising to fight again, rising, waiting for a new dawn. And the Jai Shri Ram slogans or the chants that you hear behind me. Now these are the akhadas that are once again motivating the devotees like they have for centuries. Since the 8th century, when Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya actually started the concept of the akhadas or the akhand, the indivisible, those who cannot be divided, protectors of the Sanatan faith. And hear both the chants. You hear both Jai Shri Ram and you hear Hara Hara Mahadev. And that's the pledge that keeps them going. This is the most auspicious day, the Mauni Amavasya here at Kumbh, where a snan at the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati at the Triveni Sangam is supposed to help attain salvation. There was a tragedy. Everyone was sad. There was a stampede. Sadly, some people may have lost their lives. The administration is not declaring anything openly just as yet, but some people were injured. At the same time, you hear the dhol, the nagaras, the tashas, because it is to rise to another day. This is about symbolism of triumph, of hope and faith. But what happened early this morning, I get you more in this report.
The road in this direction goes up to the Sangam Nose where the devotees are going for their holy dip, and you can steadily see a stream of ambulances coming to the Sangam Nose and going back from this area. If you look at this entire area, you will see it bustling with the devotees. The security personnel are having a very tough time trying to stop the people, and even for the ambulance to pass by is a tough ask. So we have seen ambulances streaming, and you can see another one that's coming right behind. There are ambulances which are going to the Sangam Nose and coming back from the area. It is a huge task for the entire administration, for the security forces here, with devotees supposed to touch the number of devotees coming here for Holy Dip on Mauni Amavasya supposed to touch at least 10 crores. You can see ambulances streaming one after the other. You've seen 2 go that side. Now there are at least 4 ambulances. Another one which is going back from this side. And the ambulances are constantly streaming towards the Sangam Nose. It is a tough situation for all the security personnel. You can see the ambulances with emergency medical services, the ICU facilities in these ambulances making their way, trying to make their way to the Sangam Nose.
Constantly for the past about 45 minutes, ambulances are rushing in. Ambulances are bringing people who were caught in that massive crowd. By and large, what we've seen is people right now are being wheeled into the hospital. More doctors have been called in, but we're still waiting for an official word on those who've been injured. There are several relatives who are still outside waiting for their loved ones, waiting for any information about their loved ones. But the hospital administration and the Uttar Pradesh police are asking them to wait for doctors to examine those who've been brought to this hospital and only then give an official word.
मौनी अमावस्या पर प्रयागराज महाकुंभ में आई भीषण भीड़ को देखते हुए प्रशासन के भी हाथ पैर फूले हुए हैं, क्योंकि भगदड़ हुई है और भगदड़ की वजह से कई लोगों की मौत हो गई है। वो सारे लोग संगम नोज पर ही स्नान करना चाहते हैं। यही वजह है कि लोग, प्रशासन तो लोगों को डाइवर्ट करना चाहता है, लेकिन लोग किसी भी सूरत में, किसी भी कीमत पर संगम की तरफ ही जाना चाहते हैं और वहीं स्नान के लिए जाने के लिए जिद पर अड़े हैं। यही वजह है कि ये पूरा मार्ग, इस मार्ग से संतों महंतों को अमृत स्नान करने के बाद वापसी की यात्रा करनी थी, लेकिन वो वापसी की यात्रा मार्ग पर लोगों की भीषण भीड़ है। जहां उनके रथों की, वाहनों की पार्किंग होनी थी, वहां भी भीड़ है, और उधर जहां से संतों महंतों को शोभा यात्रा के साथ यहाँ शाही स्नान के लिए यानी अमृत स्नान के लिए आना था, वहां भी लोगों को रखा गया है, क्योंकि भीड़ इतनी अनियंत्रित हो गई है।
So when you look at the situation right now, early this morning there was tragedy, but later in the evening there is celebration, the celebration of the Sanatan faith. And let me quickly show you these images behind me. The Sanatan Dharma is not just about knowledge, the Sanatan Dharma is also about strength. And these youngsters are displaying their skills with the sword, with the stick, with bow and arrow, and with the battle axe. Watch these youngsters, they've got all sorts of weapons in their hand, and they're displaying their courage, because when Jagat Guru Adi Shankaracharya started the Akhand or the Akhadas in the 8th century, it was all about spreading the Sanatan Dharma through knowledge and to protect the followers of faith through the sword if need be. It's only when there was deviation from the path, then there was the Sanatan saw some decline. But watch, the police are standing in between. There is one route from where all the akhadas are coming in. The police are standing in between, and then there is the second route from which all the akhadas that have already completed the Amrit Snan, they are then going back. This is the current situation, but look at the deployment of the police here. The barricading that has been done is in 3 layers. The barricading on the other side, and lakhs of devotees on the other side of the barricades, waiting and watching patiently and celebrating this Sanatan here at the Mahakumbh. There are several devotees who touch the feet of the Naga sadhus and then wash their feet and take away the Charanamrit. They also take what is known as Charan Raj, or all that mud and sand in their feet, and they take it to their temples back home, or they apply a tilak. The Bhasma tilak is also a part of the Kumbh or celebration. So one akhada is going, and there you see another akhada coming. This tradition, the dhol and the nagaras are all about celebrations of Sanatan. But when we talk about what happened earlier this morning, there were multiple things that went wrong. Before I get you that report on what went wrong, according to preliminary assessment of the investigating agencies or the police agencies, we bring you this report.
A stampede at the world's largest spiritual gathering. Ahead of the auspicious Mauni Amavasya Snan, lakhs of devotees gathered at Prayagraj to take the divine dip of faith. But the crowd slowly spiraled out of control. Some devotees jumped the barricades, breaking a pole near the Sangam nose, triggering panic. Pilgrims ran into each other. Many sleeping devotees were trampled.
By and large, what we've seen is people right now are being wheeled into the hospital. More doctors have been called in, but we're still waiting for an official word on those who've been injured. There are several relatives who are still outside waiting for their loved ones, waiting for any information.
Ambulances rushed to the aid of those injured. At least 10 are feared dead, nearly 50 injured.
मौनी अमावस्या पर प्रयागराज महाकुंभ में आई भीषण भीड़ को देखते हुए प्रशासन के भी हाथ पैर फूले हुए हैं, क्योंकि भगदड़ हुई है और भगदड़ की वजह से कई लोगों की मौत हो गई है। वो सारे लोग संगम नोज पर ही स्नान करना चाहते हैं।
स्नान करके जल्दी जल्दी स्नान करके
No heed was paid to a top cop's warning on Tuesday evening. The officer had asked devotees to leave after the snan and avoid overnight stays at the ghats. But the appeal fell on deaf ears.
आप लोगों को जल्दी जल्दी स्नान करके उन्हें भी सकुशल स्नान का मौका देना चाहिए। इसीलिए आप घाटों पे रात को ना सोएं, स्नान करें और जल्दी जल्दी निकलते रहे घाटों से। गंगा मैया के बहुत सारे घाट बने हुए हैं। आप जिस घाट के करीब हैं, आप वहीं पे स्नान करें।
Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister assured the situation is under control. He appealed devotees to take their snans but refrain from heading towards the Sangam nose.
ये सब आयोजन सभी लोगों का है। प्रशासन उनकी सेवा के लिए पूरी तत्परता के साथ लगा हुआ है। लगभग 15 से 20 किलोमीटर के दायरे में अस्थायी घाट बनाए गए हैं। उसमें कहीं भी वे स्नान कर सकते हैं। आवश्यक नहीं कि संगम नोच की तरफ ही आएं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath multiple times, taking stock of rescue and relief efforts.
मैं यूपी सरकार के साथ निरंतर संपर्क में हूं। मैं प्रभावित परिवारों के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं और घायलों के जल्द स्वस्थ होने की कामना करता हूं।
Opposition leaders slammed the Yogi government, claiming mismanagement in VIP culture had led to the tragedy.
इतने अनुभवों के बाद, इतने कुंभ बनाने के बाद, ये सरकार जो कहती थी कि हम बहुत पुख्ता इंतजाम करेंगे, उसके सारे इंतजाम फेल होते दिखते हैं। बहुत दुर्भाग्य की बात है, लेकिन मैं उसमें बहुत आगे नहीं जाना चाहता। मैं आशा करूंगा कि उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार बार बार जो इश्तहार देती है बड़े बड़े, उसको हटाकर काम करे।
आप इतना बड़ा समारोह करा रहे हैं, आप दिल्ली में आके उपदेश दे रहे हैं, भाई उसकी व्यवस्था देखने के लिए आप थे ही नहीं उत्तर प्रदेश में। आप तो उत्तर प्रदेश छोड़ के, योगी जी तो यहाँ दिल्ली के मोहल्लों के अंदर जो है अरविंद केजरीवाल को गालियां दे रहे हैं और उनको प्रशासन करने की कला सिखा रहे हैं।
Meanwhile, the faith of devotees at the Mahakumbh remains unshakable. Crores are taking the Amrit Snan at the Sangam. The akharas which temporarily halted the Amrit Snan resumed it as the situation limped back to normalcy. With Gaurav Sawant and Sanjay Sharma in Prayagraj, Bureau Report, India Today.
The enthusiasm right now is tremendous. You can hear the dhol and the nagaras. You can hear the Shahi Snan akharas one after the other. They're taking a holy dip. While they're all aware of the tragedy in the morning, they say there are lessons that need to be learned. But what's happened has happened. In fact, one of the devotees that we had spoken to when the akhada was going, he was one of the management officials, a part of the akhadas. He actually quoted the Ramcharitmanas and said that in Goswami Tulsidas and Ramcharitmanas had told Bharat, who was very, very sad, that Sunahu Bharat Bhavi Prabal Bilak Kahe Muninath Labh Hani Yash Apyash Jeevan Maran Vidhi Hath. So that is the way the akhadas are treating what happened this morning. But what went wrong? Let's take a look. One, the focus on taking a bath at the Trivedi Sangam. The administration all along said, take a bath, take a holy dip anywhere across the 15 kilometers plus of the ghats on either side of the Yamuna or the Ganga river. It's equally pious, but people only wanted to take a holy dip at the Trivedi Sangam. That was point one. Point two, those who had already taken a dip, after taking a dip, they wanted to stay back for more. A second dip, a third dip, a fourth dip. And they did not want to go back. And India Today spoke to a number of these devotees who said that they still want to stay back for more. That led to overcrowding here, and that was again seen as one of the reasons. Number three, the Uttar Pradesh police insists their repeated safety warnings were ignored. They kept requesting the devotees to keep moving on after the Amrit Snan. They warned them that there could be a stampede. However, the devotees continued to stay back. Point number 4, the police did not enforce one dip and move on principle. They ignored the fact that devotees continued to stay back. Were they not there in adequate numbers, including senior police officers? Then the devotees, they tried to jump that barricade right behind us. This is a barricade that's been erected for the akhadas to come in. When they tried to break the barricade, there was a stampede and several people who were sleeping, especially women, children and the elderly, they were trampled in that stampede. So that was another reason. Lack of enforcement along the ghats again is a problem, that people continue to stay back, and non-stop flow of devotees despite the overcrowding. The administration insists that they were using artificial intelligence and CCTV cameras to keep an eye on every development, and AI software would warn them if one sector had more people than that sector could handle, and then an overflow could be accommodated in the other sector. Unfortunately, while the plans were good on paper, implementation was found wanting. And I want to bring in India Today's Santosh Sharma for more on this. Santosh, while the police officially say they're working very hard to ensure it's a flawless Kumbh, there was a flaw, and unfortunately a stampede and a tragedy has taken place. What went wrong in their assessment, Santosh?
What went wrong in their assessment? Before that, you have quoted Ramcharitmanas, Chaupai, Jeevan, Maran, Yash, Apayash, Sab Vidihat. So, in other words, we can say this is the act of a God. So, if this is the act of God, then who's responsible for this? That's the reason. Till now, no one is going to tell how many persons are injured, how many devotees have lost their lives. Till now, UP government, even the UP officials, whether they are stationed in the Prayagraj, whether they are stationed in the state capital Lucknow, no one is going to tell the figure what was the toll of death and what was the injured. Now the question is, who was responsible? Definitely the crowd management was failure. Crowd management was not properly done. Because from before this incident, 24 hours back, we have to see the scenario of the whole Prayagraj area streets continuously. Even 8 to 9 hours, we have to wait to reach the destination for the reporting also. So after the continuously coming of the vehicles from not only from the nearby districts, even from the other states also. So the crowd was enormously coming, and their management was not good. That's the reason the stampede occurred. The street which was dedicated for the entry of the devotees and the exit of the devotees, that was very narrow. We can say 3 to 4 or 5 persons can get entered, and 4 to 5 persons get exit. But nearby that street, there was a barricading dedicated for the akhadas, because in the early morning 5:15 that was the first snan, Amrit Snan was going to be scheduled. So that passage was left, no one was allowed, and that's the reason that after that stampede, the ambulances got a green corridor without any effort, and that is the we can say the good luck of those who have survived. That after that incident, the number of ambulances rushed to the spot,
a green corridor was available because of that barricaded area. Santosh, the point the saints and seers here were making, Sunahu Bharat Bhavi Prabal Bilakh Kahe Muninath, is a spiritual way of looking at it. My question to you was the administrative way on police lapses. So police administration is different from spiritually looking at a situation.